Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about trigonometric functions, that particularly the sine function and cosine function, the domain and range. Okay, so now we'll define the other functions, say tangent function, cotangent function, secant function, cosecant function. First we'll discuss about tangent function, right? Tangent function. Tangent function, yes. So let us first discuss about the graph of sine function, right? Graph of sine function. Graph of sine function. Yes. Graph of sine function. Our coordinate plane is like this. Y dash. Let us consider a circle of radius r. This is the point P. Okay. This is the point P whose polar coordinates are theta. That means measure of this angle is theta and this is r. Let the point E be moving and this circle intersects x-axis, positive direction of x-axis at A and positive direction of y-axis at B. It is C, it is D. Let us observe, before drawing the graph of sine function, let us observe its nature. Yes, sine function was defined, it is from r to minus 1 to 1, defined as sin theta is equal to r theta y by r. This was the definition. Let us observe the nature of this function. Yes, if the point, there is a possibility, if the point is at A, what will be the Cartesian coordinates of this? Its polar coordinate will be r0, and its Cartesian coordinates also r0. And you see, let us drop a perpendicular. How you know? It is, suppose M. This was our r theta x and r theta y. What is r theta x? R theta x is the x coordinate of the point in Cartesian form whose polar coordinates are r theta. Similarly, r theta y is the y coordinate of the point whose polar coordinates are r theta. Okay? So, this is the thing. So, OM is r theta x and MP is r theta y. Now, it is r theta y by r. So, when the point is here, that means theta is 0. When theta is 0, let us take the table. It is theta, it is sine theta, right? When theta is 0, yes, it is 0. What is the value of sine theta? Because r theta y is 0 here, so it will be 0. Next, suppose it will go to pi by 4. Suppose theta is pi by 4. Pi by 4. What will happen? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 means this is a right angle. We have dropped a perpendicular here. If this is 45 degree or pi by 4, this is also pi by 4. So this is a what? Isosceles triangle. That means this side is equal to this. Right? Here r will, yes, r theta y will be equal to what? R theta y will be root 2 by, yes, it will be root 2. It will be root 2. Because you see, if it is r, it is r by root 2, it is r by root 2. R by root 2. So it is r by root 2. r theta will be r by root 2, not root 2, r by root 2. So sin theta will be what? R by root 2 by r, that is 1 by root 2, right? So it will be 1 by root 2. Understand? You see, it is an isosceles triangle. This is r. So what will be the length of the isosceles other sides of the triangle? It will be r by root 2. Okay? So yes, r by root 2. This is r by root 2. So sin theta will be r by root 2 by r. That is 1 by root 2. This is the value of sin theta when theta is pi by 4. Okay? Now, again, your function is, your point is moving. When it will be here, that means theta is pi by 2 or 90 degree. Pi by 2 in radian and in degree it is 90 degree. Yes, when theta is pi by 2. Here you see the x coordinate, Cartesian form. Its polar coordinate will be r pi by 2 and its Cartesian coordinates will be 0 r. Here x is 0, y is equal to r. So what will happen? R theta y will be equal to r. This is r. So r by r, it will be 1. So when it is pi by 2, its value will be 1, right? And again, it will go to, if the point is moving on the circle like this, it will be here, suppose, what is that? 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 or 135 degree. Here also you see, yes, 135 degree means this will be pi by 4. This will be pi by 4 or 45 degree, and you see this is the r theta y, this is r theta x. They are also same. This will be r by root 2. This will be r by root 2 because it is an isosceles triangle and this is r. Radius cannot be changed. Our point is moving along the circumference of the circle, right? So it will be r by root 2. So here when it is 3 pi by 4, right? 3 pi by 4, your value is what? This is also 1 by root 2. That is, you see, gradually the value of r theta y is decreasing. Here what will happen? Here what will happen? R theta y value, absolute value will increase, but it will take the negative value. That means this is also decreasing. Okay, r theta x is also decreasing from 0 to negative numbers. Here you see r theta x will be minus, its polar coordinate will be r pi. R pi. This, it is r pi inclination. When the point is on the negative side, I have told you, on the negative side of the x-axis, the inclination theta, the value of theta is taken as pi. Okay, so it is r pi. Polar coordinate will be r pi. What will be the Cartesian coordinates? The Cartesian coordinates will be minus r 0. It is in the left side of the y-axis, but the length is same. Because it is on the circle, its radius is r, so length is r, but it will be minus r. What? Because it is to the left of y-axis. Yes, so it is minus r. So what will happen to sin value? It will be 0 by r, that is also 0. So when it is pi, the value will be 0. Okay, and again, it will move along the circle when it will be here. Here means, what is that point? That point is, it is pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4 means 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. The value, you see again, if you will, this, the point will be like this. Yes, this will be the point. Here also, it will be 45 degree or pi by 4, so it will be 45 degrees. So the length of the other sides of the right angle triangle will be equal, this will be equal to this, means the length is also r by root 2. But you see, the point is to the left of it, it is r 5 pi by 4. This is the polar coordinates, and its Cartesian coordinates will be minus r by root 2 minus r by root 2. It will be like this, right? So r by root 2. So what will be? Yes, minus r by root 2 by r, that is minus 1 by root 2. Its value will be again from 0, it is decreasing now, minus 1 by root 2. Now when it reaches at this point, when it will reach at this point, what will happen? Here r, and it is pi plus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. This is the polar coordinates of the point, right? What about the Cartesian coordinates? The Cartesian coordinates will be 0 minus r. It is below the x-axis. The y coordinate must be negative, but this length is r, so its coordinate will be 0 minus, because the point is on the y-axis. So x coordinate must be 0, y coordinate is minus r. So value will be minus r by r, that is minus 1. So it is, yes, pi plus 3 pi by 2, right? When the value is 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. Now again, it will increase, the value of theta will increase like this. Suppose it is, we may say it is 2 pi minus pi by 4, or 2 pi minus pi by 4, or 7 pi by 4. Same thing, or pi plus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. The result is same. Here it is 2 pi. If we will complete one circle, the point will be again here, and the rotation is 2 pi. Okay, so it is just 2 pi minus 4. I have taken 2 pi minus 4, pi by 4. Sorry, 2 pi minus pi by 4. So what will be its x coordinate, y coordinate? Yes, 2 pi minus pi by 4. That means this measure of this angle is pi by 4. So if you draw perpendicular, then it will merge here, and this is pi by 4. This is pi by 4, means this will be pi by 4. So this side must be equal to this. This side must be equal to this side. So this is also equal to, it is r by root 2. Yes, the coordinates will be what? R by root 2 minus r by root 2. That means its value will be, yes, 2 pi minus pi by 4, that will be equal to minus 1 by root 2. And now its value is increasing, you see. Minus 1, after minus 1 it is increasing. It is now minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. Then it will increase again. Here it will be 0. That means when it is 2 pi, it will be 0. And after that again it will increase. Here it will be 1 by root 2. Yes. And similarly, let us take another set of values, theta, sin theta. Suppose we will move in the negative direction, that is clockwise. If this angle is 0, it will reach here. That means it is minus pi by 4, it will be minus 1 by root 2. And minus pi by 2, it will be minus 1. And minus 3 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4, it is minus 1 by root 2. Then minus pi, it will be 0. Then minus 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. It will be 1 by root 2 and minus 3 pi by 2. It will be 1 and minus 3 pi by 2. Then minus 3 pi by 2 but minus 2 pi plus pi by 4. This part minus 2 pi, it will complete one rotation, but here suppose minus 2 pi plus pi by 4, it will be what? It will be 1 by root 2. And when it will complete the rotation minus 2 pi, it will be again 0, right? And you see, these are the set of values we can observe on sine function. Let us draw the graph of this function. How will you draw the graph? Yes, this is our coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, and you see this is the origin 0 here, say 1, 2, 3, sorry, not 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have to vary theta. Theta means it is 0. I have taken 0, then pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, then pi, then 5 pi by 4, then 3 pi by 2, next, yes, 2 pi minus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4, right, then 2 pi. In the left side also it will be like this, yes, minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4, minus pi, minus 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 2, yes, minus 3 pi by 2, sorry, the gap is should be equal, minus 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi plus pi by 4, and it is minus 2 pi, right? It is x dash and it is s. Now suppose 1, suppose here it is 1, 2, 3, like this. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yes. You take the graph paper, you will find the actual curve. Yes. It is 0, 0, pi will go to right. It is 0 means 0. So this is a point. Then when pi by 4, it is 1 by root 2 pi by 4. 1 by root 2 somewhere here, and this is a point, suppose pi by 2 it will be 1, this is the point, then again 3 pi by 4 it is again 1 by root 2, yes, pi by pi it will be 0, pi, for pi it is 0, this is the point, pi by 4 it is minus, you see 0, it is minus 1 by root 2. So the point will be here, suppose pi by 4 it is minus 1 by root 2, the point will be here, then 3 pi by 2 it is minus 1, right, minus 1, then 2 pi minus pi by 4 it is again increase minus 1 by root 2, then at 2 pi it is 0, and it will like this. And for minus pi by 4 it is minus 1 by root 2, suppose the point is here, suppose, and minus pi by 2 it is exactly minus 1, yes, minus 3 pi by 4 it is again increasing, and at minus pi it is 0, minus pi by 4 it is again say 1 by root 2, and minus 3 pi by 2 it is again 1, and it is again this, and minus 2 pi it is 0. So you see your curve will be like this. If you will join it smoothly. Yes, just like wave. It will move like this, and it will be like this. So this is your sine curve. You see, what can you observe about sine curve? Sine function, the graph of sine function is symmetric about x-axis as well as y-axis. Yes, it is symmetric about x-axis and also y-axis, right? And it is just like a wave. At the point 0, it is 0. After that, it is increasing up to 1. Then again it decreases up to minus 1. Its value 3 by 2. Minus 1. Yes. So in between these two lines, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to minus 1. It is what? It is just like a harmonic value. It is giving a periodic value. 1, x decreases 0, then up to minus 1, again increases up to 0, like this. So its curve is like this. This is the curve of sine function. Yes. Let us discuss about the curve of cosine function, right? Yes, cosine function. You see, you can observe the cosine function, right? Yes. Let us wipe out it. It is cosine function. Cosine, right? Yes. We will take again that circle and the coordinate axis, Cartesian coordinate axis. Yes. Suppose this is the circle of radius r. This is a point whose polar coordinate r theta. This is r. This is theta. Now, by varying theta, fixing r, we will move along. We have discussed. We will move along the circle, and let us drop a perpendicular here. It is suppose M, and let the circle meets x-axis at A, y-axis at B, negative side is at C, and yes, this is the positive side, this is the negative side, this is the positive side, this is the negative side, C, D. Okay, so again, cos theta, cosine is a function. Cosine is a function from r to minus 1 to 1 interval, defined as what? Defined as cos theta is equal to r theta x by r, right? R theta x by r. So what will happen? Here you see at 0. Yes, we'll take the points. The same points of theta it is cos theta. Yes, just reverse. You see, when it will be here, it will be r0, right? X coordinate will be equal to r. So its value, when it is 0, the value of cos theta will be 1. In the last figure, you may observe the Cartesian coordinates of this point was r0. So it is r by r, that is 1. So anyway, we have to speed up. Yes, this is 0, this is 1, and when it is pi by 4, this is also 1 by root 2. When you can observe, I have told you this is same as this. So yes, 1 by root 2, and at pi by 2 it is 0. After that, 3 pi by 4 it is minus 1 by root 2. Yes, here it will be negative. Why? You see, I have already told you, x coordinate, here r by root 2, here it will be minus, because it is to the left of y axis, right? 1 by root 2, then minus pi, its value will be minus 1, because r theta x will be minus r. After that, pi, then pi plus pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, it will be again negative minus 1 by root 2, and 3 pi by 2, it will be equal to 0. After that, it will increase, that means 2 pi minus pi by 4, it is again plus 1 by root 2, and at 2 pi it is again 1. Similarly for negative values, you may take, it is theta, it is cos theta. Yes, it was 0, it was 1. If it is minus pi by 4, right? Minus pi by 4, you are moving clockwise. Minus pi by 4 means it is positive. Yes, x coordinate will be positive, r by root 2 and positive. So its value will be plus 1 by root 2. And when it is minus pi by 2, its value will be 0 and 0, right? Minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4, its value will be again minus 1 by root 2, and at 3 pi, minus pi, its value will be again minus 1, and after that minus pi by 4, that means minus 5 pi by 4, minus 5 pi by 4, its value will be again minus 1 by root, yes, minus 1 by root 2, and at minus 3 pi by 2, its value will be, yes, its value will be 0, and minus 2 pi plus pi by 4, this part. We are moving like this. Here it will be what? It will be just minus 1 by root 2, 0, it will be plus 1 by root 2, and after this minus 2 pi, it will be again 1. So let us draw the graph of this function. Yes, you take here you will vary theta, so it is 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi minus pi by 4, and it is 2 pi. Again here it is minus pi by 4, it is minus pi by 2, and minus 3 pi by 4, minus pi minus 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 2, then minus 2 pi plus pi by 4, and next it is never ending, it is minus 2 pi, right? It will continue like this, and its coordinate, suppose 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. Okay, so when it is 0, its value is 1. Compare the curve, compare the graph with it. So it will be like this. Sorry. Pi by 2, 0. It will be like this. Here it will be minus 1 by like this. Right? And its curve will be again is 3 by